other digital marketing strategy produces better results in selling medium to high volume products like webinars. Professionals who know how to use the strategy can earn 7 digits in their launches or with a single funnel. The fact is that nowadays, the use of sales funnels with webinars are essential for any business that needs to generate big sales. And with Builderall 5.0, you have a professional webinar tool already fully integrated with our platform so that in a matter of minutes, you can create a webinar funnel for live events, events on demand, or daily schedule events. And for your convenience, the Builderall webinar platform can play videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and also videos hosted inside Builderall itself with our own super secure video system called Video Manager. The chat feature inside the webinar application is customizable and it allows you for full control during your presentation, such as blocking users, deleting comments, responding to users, adding buttons, images with a call to action in the chat, and configuring ghost audience with scheduled chat participation to ask you the right question at the right time. The webinar room is fully customizable and it can display a welcome video and a timer while the webinar does not start. This functionality is very efficient for webinars in scheduled or perpetual funnels. Our webinar system is already fully integrated with our email marketing platform, Mailing Boss, and SMS system. Now, just imagine how much more you can engage in your webinar with reminders sent by SMS to your leads. In the customizable registration form, users can choose the most appropriate date and time to watch the webinar, and soon the entire email sequence will respond to a chosen time. Our form also allows you to display the number of seats available for each event. And if your website or product is for a specific language, don't worry, our webinar tool allows you to enter your language in just a few minutes, thus making your audience feel much better served. Understanding that you have several webinars for different products, but a similar email sequence and SMS sequence, you can use our global email, SMS, and ghost audience system to save time in setting up your webinar. In addition, as Builderall is the most complete platform in the industry, we also offer you time-saving features by integrating our webinar with our video manager, making it possible to record your event and then automatically download it to our server, making the recordings available of the webinar in your funnel without you having to use other platforms. And when making your event, you can also use our tool to make live events on Facebook, YouTube, bring guests, share videos, show comments on the webinar screen, and much more. If you are a professional who needs the best and most modern system to sell your medium to high ticket products, and you understand the combination of webinar with sales funnels, email marketing, SMS, social proof, and video hosting can leverage your sales and optimize time and results, then Builderall 5.0 is perfect for you.